Welcome to our electric fireplace showdown. Today, we're diving into the differences between Amantii and Astria. On the left, we have Amantii, known for its high-end features, and on the right, Astria, focusing on USA-made models. Amantii offers models like the TRD and Symmetry, while Astria showcases the Plexus and Sentry. Amantii boasts features like built-in Wi-Fi and outdoor capability, while Astria lacks these perks. Manufactured in Canada, Amantii comes with a 5-year warranty, while Astria, made in the USA, offers just 1 year. Remember, Astria requires a dealer for purchase, but Amantii does not. When it comes to cost, Amantii is premium, with prices ranging from $2,700 to over $5,000. In contrast, Astria models are more budget-friendly, starting around $200. So, if you want luxury features and a longer warranty, go for Amantii. But if you're after a USA-made unit at a lower price, Astria is your pick. Thanks for tuning in. Let us know in the comments which brand you prefer.